So I just got myself the newest, one of the newest Greenstalk planter, the yellow. They have a blue and a yellow, but I really love the yellow. So I got the yellow. You know, if you live in Georgia, you know, for days, it's been raining for weeks, I would say, every day, on and off. So it's very hard to do much gardening. You get outside and you're out there, and before you know it, you have to run in because of the rain. So I've been trying to set it up for days now, and since last week, and I just got to finish it today. So I also bought there's a set of three trellis for $59, I think, or 57, I don't remember. Anyway, it's been sitting out there in the box for the longest while. So I finally went out there. The other day I did one piece, then I did another piece, and today I finally finished it. So I, put my soil in, fill it up with soil, and mix it up with some granules in it, fertilizer, and set them up. So I stack them one after the other, 2, 3, 4. So I bought the Inventor's Bundle. It's called Inventor's Bundle. And it's 3 of the original 10-inch and 3 of the basic, which is the 7-inch. And I got the basket weave. I love the basket weave design. It's really pretty. So it's the Inventor's Bundle in the basket weave design. Really nice. And it's much taller than I bought a 7-tier, and this one here is taller than the 7-tier. Well, I took off one of the tier from the green one. I'll show you that. I'll pan around and show you that. I bought the original. The first one was the green one. Then I won the lilac online, and then now I got the yellow. So as you can see, the yellow is much taller. So in size wise, it's the lilac is a 3-tier, 6-tier is the green that in the middle, and this yellow here is 6 also, but it's the Inventor's Bundle. So it's 3 of the original, 3 basic, and the part that hold the water at the top. I love my Greenstalk. I'm putting a link below where you can get yours. Well, I've been reaping off this green one here lots and lots of cucumbers. I got like 3 different type of cucumbers. I got straight 8. I have Market More, and I think there's another one. I forgot the name of it. But I've been reaping. I have a lot of cucumber around the yard, but I reap. I'll show you. Look how much cucumber I got off my tree. Today, I just picked these today when I was running in from the rain. I picked them and running from the rain. I started putting stuff in the Greenstalk. I had to run in from the rain because, I was putting in plants in it. But, you could buy the blue. The blue is really pretty also. But I love the yellow. It shows things off. And I'm looking forward to when it start, when things start growing and it's showing up the colors. Really nice. I love the yellow. So I'll put a link below, and you can click it and get $10 off. But you must spend $75 to get that $10 off, okay? You must spend $75. You could buy the 3-tier. You could buy whatever you want. They have 5-tier in different colors and so on and so forth. Thanks for watching. I love my Greenstalk. And please remember to like the video. And if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe so you can see when I upload more videos. Thank you.